What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna review last halving and some of the coins that were around and they were very popular. We're gonna go over ADA, how we performed around the halving we had, and also Ethereum. So ADA, Ethereum, and XRP, and we're gonna compare it to Bitcoin's chart. Okay, so make sure this is gonna be a very fun video, but it's gonna educate you a lot. And for to the people who come and comment and do not like the word crash that I use a lot, if you guys pay attention in this video, you're not gonna really call those price actions as corrections, and you're gonna call them crash. Okay, then you're gonna come and say, no, we had COVID, but come on, we did not know anything about COVID and it happened. This time could be something different, and you and I do not know anything about. Okay, so let me first actually go over technical analysis. All right, and then we're gonna go compare those charts with the ADA, XRP, and Ethereum's chart with Bitcoin around the last halving we had. Okay, and we're gonna go over USDT dominance. So if you haven't already, please like the video. It helps the algorithm. Subscribe and comment down below whatever you think about this video. Okay. All right. So first, technical analysis. In my previous video, also I put my updates of my trade in my Telegram. If you would like to join, go ahead. The link is in my bio. All right. So I said that there is high chance of going actually down and meet around this price, which would be almost 41,200. We did not quite touch 200, but it was almost 300, 293 in some of the exchanges. Okay, and we see that we found support, but I do not really trust it all. But still, I close my short around this area with $100, $115 in profit. And the reason is being because there might be a pullback to this yellow line. All right, this is the 4-hour chart. Let me get rid of this. I was actually in my previous video, I said that yesterday's video, I said there is a high chance of actually meeting this area and trying to go back up. But this is not guaranteed. But I'm just going to still mention this before that. We see that these shadows, these sharp shadows, that we almost actually retraced $1,000. Okay, we went from 41 almost 300 to 42 100 200s. Okay, and we see that Bitcoin has a lot of trouble passing going above this area, which will be almost here. Okay, but as I see, if we go to the lower time frame in 1 hour, we see kind of a in reverse head and shoulder. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, these are ugly, but you know what I'm saying. All right, so if we actually see closing above this area, I will say that there is a high chance that we go back to almost this area. There is still some supply here to meet. It's not, of course, guaranteed. This could actually still not find, any support, any buy support from here and go back down and touch this line one more time. Actually, touch the line this time, because the other lines had already touched it, but this did not. I mean, it does not have to, obviously, but there could be some more support around here, and I can see that around here, right here. Okay, these ties in here are good support, but this reverse head and shoulder could actually bring Bitcoin's price up to this level, or at least if you actually make a line in here, okay, Bitcoin might actually push almost to 42,600. So I might actually to enter to another short for Bitcoin. All right, this one was just a short technical analysis for you guys. So just summarizing, we might still go back to this line, to this support, and go push back up this time, or it can actually, since it has made a reverse head and shoulder, we could actually push almost to 42,600. None of these are financial advice. Do not follow what I'm saying under trades. Okay, so let's go actually talk about Bitcoin's last halving, and I had made a video similar to this before, and a lot of people liked it. And uh, this was when everything was fine. Okay, I'm not talking about the halving. Halving was later. This was the crash that we had in COVID crash. Okay, let's call it COVID crash. And a lot of people are gonna say, as I said earlier, are gonna say, "Oh no, this time we have ETF." Like, come on, I don't care what you're saying. Okay, about that. I don't. I'm really tired of this ETF news because this is just to hype you guys to get into your trades, so they sell off and just dump it on you. Okay. As I said, nothing in here is financial advice, but just consider some of what I'm saying. Okay. This was when everything was fine, which was February 17 of 2020. Okay. Almost 3 weeks later, actually from the first week we started crashing down. If you actually get the whole percentage of going back down, which I would call a crash. I don't know, a lot of people don't like to call it crash. They say correction maybe, but I don't. I call it crash. If anything is almost 50-60%, I don't call it a retracement. Okay. You can call it anything you want. All right, so from here, if you had bought it 62%, okay, and this only happened maybe in like 24 hours, the scandal. I kind of remember something like that. Anyways, so in almost 3 weeks, 3 weeks we had this much going back down. Okay, let's go and actually compare ADA. ADA was one of the coins that was very popular back then. It was very cheap, and you guys can see that how this coin went down with Bitcoin too. Okay, in here, as I said, same date, 17th of February. Okay, on Monday, everything was fine, just going sideways, and then what happens was ADA went down 72%. 72%. Okay, this video I'm making, this my whole point is for those naive people that think, oh, everything is fine, everything is going up, all those green candles, yay, 88 to $20, whatever, and boom, what happened? It went even lower than before. Okay. Another one. Excuse me. Another one, XRP Moon Boys. No disrespect, but I'm not a fan of XRP at all. It's just waste of time, okay? Anyways, XRP. XRP was another famous coin and another popular coin. It has been around for years, okay? In here, everything was fine. What happened was we started going. I'm not even gonna count from here. There are a lot of percentage here, but I'm not. I'm just gonna go from here. Okay, top of the scandal, going down. Boom, 64%. So if you bought 1,000, let's go a big. Let's go for a big number. If you bought $10,000 worth of worth of XRP in this crash, you would have lost how much? Almost $6,000, 6,000 something. Okay. I'm not saying this to scare you. I want you guys to short term, if you care about your money, if you do not want to lose a lot of your money short term, you guys need to consider a lot of things could happen. Okay, a lot of things could happen. That up to this level, everything was fine. We just had a red candle, nothing was important, and then boom, it happened. Okay, then everybody started getting bearish. Oh my God, what's going on? What's happening? I know if we see the same thing for Bitcoin in here, where is it? Okay, if we see the same thing happen for Bitcoin this time, okay, everybody are going to start saying that. Okay, a lot of you guys are going to give up. You're going to sell, leave this market with your losses. I don't want you guys to be that person. I don't want any of you guys, especially the people who are open to listen and ask for different opinions, who are not biased, who are willing to listen and consider. Okay. All right. Back to what I was saying. XRP. Okay. So let's go actually to Ethereum. Ethereum was very, it was a very good opportunity to grab some Ethereum in this crash. But I remember I actually bought 10 Ethereum for $800 because it went down to almost $80. Yeah, $800 it costed me, but I sold it too early and I switched it to other coins. Anyways, it's fine. I mean, I lost a lot of opportunities. That's why I make these videos to let you guys know about my mistakes. Okay, here everything was fine. Ethereum went down to here 70%, guys. 70%. Okay, so the whole point of these are again, be careful. Be careful. Okay, anything, any type of news, and interest rates. Okay, a lot of you guys don't even know what the interest rates does to markets. Okay, interest rates will crash most likely the market if they start cutting interest rates. Okay, last time in previous markets we have seen it every time Fed starts uh cutting interest rates, we saw everything crashing. All right. So let's go to actually USDT dominance. USDT dominance, I was still saying that the USDT dominance is finding support around this area. Yeah, it pushed even lower for USDT, but you guys see these shadows, right? There are still a lot of resistance for USDT to go down. And I call it resistance because the lower it goes, the more pump everything gets, okay? So this is the opposite correlation. But as I'm saying, I'm just going to move this so you guys can see this better. Okay, let's go to daily. I still see a double bottom here. Okay, there is still a chance pushing above and even going crazy high. Okay, this will take us to 39,000. This will, if we actually see this bottom, double bottom, we could go up here. So there's no like need to go another push down and then go up. Okay, so these are my warnings to you guys. There's gonna be a time, a lot of you guys, before you even watch the whole video and see that how supportive I am for crypto and how a big fan I am about crypto, and you start commenting bad things, and I don't care, as I said. But there is gonna be a time I'm gonna help you guys make money. I'm gonna tell you guys what is good to buy, what is good to hold, when is a good time to sell. Okay, I'm not telling you guys to sell anything right now because a lot of people, it is a very critical moments for Bitcoin. So a lot of people are just, it's their opinion if they want to hold it, or it's their decision actually. So I don't want to change your opinion. I don't want to make you guys sell everything and then if anything happens, of course I'm not going to be 100% all the time, but I'm just not a person to tell you guys to sell or anything. But timing wise, that we still have time for Bitcoin to do the opposite of what you're thinking if you're bullish. Okay, so like and subscribe, support the channel, and I will come back with another video. Peace.